So for once, I didn't want to start my vlog off looking crusty. I actually did my hair, and these are feed-in braids that I did myself. So the next few clips you're going to see is actually the process of me doing my hair. I had some leftover hair, and I just used what I had and did my hair. So yeah, here is the process.
I finished all the gifting except for one, okay? And there's no space underneath this tree for anything else. And there's the one that's missing, and that is Farai's gift. I actually think babe threw it in the trash. I think he took it out of the mail, put it on the table, saw it, forgot it wasn't open, and threw it in the trash. So he's gonna have to give Farai back the money that I spent, and I'm gonna try get a refund, because I wholeheartedly believe he threw my Christmas gift for Farai in the trash. Anyways, so his bag is still right there. We have some beef ribs marinating, and I'm gonna do, this is gonna be my first time trying to roast beef on the stove top. My mom don't eat pork, so we never normally eat ham on Christmas or any of that. We normally eat roast beef, and I'm gonna try roasting the beef for the first time this year, since I ain't in Pennsylvania anymore. I need to learn how to do these things. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I used to do my seasoning, and then I'm gonna show you guys mine. I don't know what it is, but something has been stuck. It's been stuck in my nose. This may be a bit TMI. From morning, I'll may try get you out in a come out. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my lovely cake. And this is my Christmas cake. If you live in the New York area, I'm gonna link my aunt. She's the one that baked and sent me mine from New York. She even sends them to Canada. Anywhere you want, she'll send it to you. And that's how she does it. And my cake came in 2 days, so it definitely wasn't going to be spoiled. She actually used UPS instead of USPS, so your cake comes to you fairly quickly. And this thing, you know. It comes bubble wrap, so your cake won't be broken in transit. If you live in the New York area also, she do deliveries, so you can order your cake and she will deliver them. I'm just trying to put you on. This is my fruit cake, and it says bake with love from Val's Kitchen. Let me zoom in on it a little bit. So yeah. I smell the room. God. Yes, God. Whoo! Y'all. And she sent me, I actually bought two cake. I bought a carrot cake and I bought this Christmas cake. Let me tell you, the carrot cake almost done. Okay. And it's only been a few days since this thing came. Look at my nice, clean Christmas cake. Who can talk to me? Ah! Me not cut it because babe's not here. I'm sure if he was here, we want to taste it. But look at my nice, clean Christmas cake. It smells so good. So yeah, if you're in the business of getting cake made for you, whichever cake you want, she will definitely bake it for you. She has this new coconut cake that my mom has been raving about, so I think I'm gonna get that for New Year's. But my Christmas cake upon deck, and it is from a black owned, Jamaican owned business. Anywhere in the US, anywhere in Canada, she will ship your cake to you. Okay? Okay. So I'm gonna wrap up about this and wait till babe come home, because I want him to taste it also. I just did one unbox it, you know? And I couldn't do it the day it came because I was cooking and the kids were crying and all of that. So I want to give you a proper unboxing. So please go support Val's Kitchen. Her name is Valerie Robinson on Facebook and Valerie Robinson on Instagram. Cash App, Vimeo, whatever form of PayPal, whatever form of PayPal payment you have, she will definitely accept it. So I have this shoot concept that I have in mind that I want to do. I want to take one picture in front of the tree, and I also want to take a picture for New Year's. So, and I also want to take a family picture with me and the kids. So I'm gonna try to get all of this done before they wake up, and then when they do wake up, I'm gonna change their clothes and actually get a picture with them.
But the reality of taking pictures with children is that they don't never do what you want them to do. So here are some of the pictures that I actually got. I hope you guys enjoy these. And taking picture by yourself with kids are very, very hard, okay? They never do what you want.
That's why I said you had to help him. Open his.
Those?
Yeah, then this.
Okay, Pop, look. Let's
Pass
open
your
yours.
dad one.
Here. Come, Kaka. Please. Bring it, let's open it. You want other people things instead?
Yep.
Kai. Look, Kai. This yours. Come, let's open this one.
Orange.
Circle. Orange circle. Gotta be careful with the stove and stuff. I'm not sure, man.
Hi, those are yours.
Mommy. Mommy. You're not getting my damn.
What's up, look?
What's that? It's tablet? Oh, yeah. This cover.
Kai, stop taking out the trash out the thing. Thank you. You got an iPad. Look at that.
Come, Papa.
Here, Kai.
Can you turn it on for him?
Yeah, let me put it. Put it on.
Molani. Hi, Mommy. Hi, pretty.
Um,
Hi, pretty. Down yourself? You like the camera action, Mommy? You ready? Put your mom on camera, so she got me on camera without you telling me. I tell her, say, stuff I'm gonna get my cover and babe, that's not even a well-lit angle. Your video will be dark.
my videos are always dark in your dark. I guess it needs charging. Oh yeah, it definitely needs charge. It is dead. Oh. I play with you. Brown stew chicken.
Have
Regular.
a glass of wine, something nice to watch.
Alright.
To Rasta,
Where's the babe?
so I need a split and a glass of wine.
I don't mind. I just swap me up.
That's the sound of her.
Babe, top. I saw. Oh. Me I eat piece of this that when me don't drink the wine cause it actually came out really good. What the?
Ouch. Ouch.
Well, it's the two and shooter and one and shooter.
What is that?
Ouch. Ouch.
No, it's one and a shooter and two and shooter.
Whatever that
It's
means.
been a while. One and a shooter and two and shooter.
And we did ribs. We have rice to make still, but whatever.
You want more, Papa?
So even while all of this stuff is going on, I actually had a death in my family on Christmas Eve, and this is him right here. I the last time I went to Jamaica, he was there, and I didn't want to put mm, my I didn't want to put my family on camera, and I didn't. And I don't have any pictures, I don't have any video of him. And now I kind of regret that. But he died on Christmas Eve, so my family is going through a lot. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. The next one vlog will probably not be for a while because I have this going on and I also have stuff for school that I need to get done. So you probably won't see a mom vlog until the ending of January, beginning of February. So I'll see you guys then, if the man up above willing, and deuces.